If you are trading or doing anything in 2026 without AI, you are left behind. The use of AI in 2026 is no longer optional. It is a leverage and you must take advantage of it. And if you are not doing that, then I wonder what you are still doing. Because in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you, walk you step by step with no steps skipped, on how to build up your own Polymarket copy trading board that works for you all on autopilot. You just wake up and you see your data popping up with profit. That is exactly what I want to show you in this video. In my previous video, I showed you how I did this, and in less than 7 hours, I was already up in profit. And you can see this is the data for today right here. Already about 1,700 trades have been taken, and then we have completed trades right here, failed trade, and we have skipped trade. And right here, you can see the capital we've deployed and the realized profit we have currently. And this is the unrealized P&L or profit that we currently have. And if I take you to my bullpen pro account right here, this is the journey I started with $45, and already we are up by $113. And in this, we have some pending trades, about 45 trades right here. So once these are completed, you will see that this will increase. At the end of the day, we are going to be making profit and be taking more trades. So if you want to learn this, make sure that you watch to the end, because every prompt I use, every detail, everything you need to get started, I'm exposing everything in this video in order for you to be able to make use of it and build up your own board and start making profit for yourself. So before we go further, the reason for this failed trades that you see right here is because currently on our account, we don't have any cash left. So all of the cash are held up in this 45 pending trades. That is why every other trade that comes after that is a failed trade. That's exactly what is happening right here. And the dashboard you are looking at right here, I did not write a single line of code. Everything, all of these automations are done using Claude AI. And that is exactly what I'm showing you how to do in this video. So you can see right here, we have the option to stop our board. We have the option to start it. This dashboard refreshes every 30 seconds. If it doesn't refresh, I can use this refresh option to do that. And you can see currently that the health of our board is active and is running. This is exactly what I want to show you how to build in this video. So before we go further, guys, if you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this. And I've put together a step-by-step guide with all of the prompts that I use and what you will be expecting in a document that I'm going to put inside Telegram. So to join us and download those documents and use them, go ahead and use the link in the video description or the link in my bio to join us on Telegram, and check the pinned message on Telegram. You'll be able to see the prompt right there, the document with the prompts, and you're going to use it. So before we go further, there are two things you need. Number one is you need an account with Claude AI, and as a matter of fact, it's going to be a paid account. The $20 payment monthly subscription is enough for this. $20 monthly subscription. So that's all you need with Claude. The link to sign up will be in the video description. Just go ahead, put your phone number, sign up, and you can go ahead and subscribe and pay the $20. Then the next account you need to be able to start copying traders on Polymarket is the Bullpen Pro account. The link to sign up will be in the video description as well. This one is free. The only thing you need right here is to deposit in USDC the amount you want to start your trading with. I started mine with $45. You can start yours with whatever amount that you want. So $45 here plus a $20 subscription, that's $65 for me. So yours could be any amount. And the reason why I'm having a lot of failed trades right here is because I started with $45 and I'm copying 10 traders. So, and if I scroll down right here, let me just show you before we go into the details. So you can see the time of the trade, you can see the trader I'm copying, you can see the market for the trader to, and then you can see the outcome right here. The side is, if it is a buy or sell, you'll see that right here. So this trader entered his own trade with $4.60. You can see just updated. This one entered this particular trade with $64, and we are copying the trader with just $1 because of the capital we have. Right now, this one equally failed because our balance right here is still, the cash right here is still zero. All I can do to be able to avoid all of this failed trade is just to deposit more money here. But I'm on a challenge to move this $45 to at least a reasonable amount of money, which I'll be updating you every day on the channel. Right, so that's just it, the basic things you need here. That's everything you need. So I'm going to show you how to build up the bot and then how to set up this dashboard to monitor your trades even on the go. So let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so here we are on Claude Code. So once you sign up for an account, you'll be prompted to download the desktop version of the Claude Code. So download it and install it. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, just download and install. And once you install it, open up the Claude Code desktop app. And once you open it up, here you will see these options right here at the top. So the first one we have here is the chat. Then we have the co-work, and then we have the Claude Code. So the one you want to select to be able to follow up with this is Claude Code. Go ahead and click on this code option. And once you click on it, it brings you to a new section like this. And once you are here, the next thing you want to do, where it says local, the next option here, click on it and click on the open folder option. So once you click on the open folder option, it takes you into your system. You should create a new folder right here, either on your desktop, your document, wherever it is. Select the folder you created and click on open. In my own case, I named my own folder Polymarket Copy Trading. So just empty folder, nothing in it, create it, and then select it from here. After that, the next thing you need to do is to select the model. In my own case, I'm using the second model right here. The Opus 4.7, which is the latest model, is powerful, but it consumes a lot of credit. So we want to minimize the use of usage. So that we don't get those limits consumed every now and then. So that's why I'm using the second option right there. After that, the next thing where it says accept edit, if you click on it, just make sure that it is on this accept edit option, which is the second option. This is all you need. This is all the setup you need inside of your Claude Code. Now you can equally access Claude Code using, if you don't want to use the desktop version, which is the desktop app, you can access your Claude Code using the terminal on your Mac, or you can use PowerShell on Windows, or you can use Visual Studio Code. Any of these you can use it, but I prefer to use the desktop application. So once you've done all of this thing, the next thing is to start prompting your Claude Code to build up this Polymarket copy trading board for you. And I've created a document. As I said earlier, the document will be available on Telegram. So make sure you join on Telegram and go download those documents. Every other update will be there as well. By the way, if you are not following me on X, the link to follow me too will be in the video description. So right here on the prompt, the first prompt we're going to actually type here. To make life easier for me, actually dictate to my Claude Code using Wispr Flow. Wispr Flow with it, I can just click here and then press a button on my laptop and start talking. And as I'm talking, at the end of the day, everything is transcribed into text for me, and I can just send it. So you can use that as well. Wispr Flow, you can try that for free. You can use it for free actually, both on your phone and then on your laptop as well. So the link to will be in the video description if you want to try out Wispr Flow. And this is the first prompt we need to get started with. So just go ahead and type this. All of these links will be in the video description. Please copy it as it is. Don't change anything. Don't try to type it so that you don't make mistake. Copy it. These are the two links we need in order to be able to effectively start copying some of the top traders from Polymarket. These are the links we need. They're in the video description, and they equally be available in the document I'm making available for you. So just copy and paste this here and send. Once you send it, let me just go ahead and split my screen. All right, so this is it. So this is the first command I sent. So once you go ahead and send this prompt right here, which is what we have added here. Once you go ahead and click and send all of this, let me just take that off. Yeah, and Claude will go into work. You can see, let me fetch those pages to understand how to install the bullpen's CLI, and then it goes ahead and all of that. Then it will prompt you. Your own prompting, some of the questions it will be asking you will be different, right? Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction. Then it will ask you to authenticate. Now you need an account with the Bullpen Pro platform and deposit some amount of money. There are no verifications needed. Just create an account and deposit some money there. Then it will ask you to log in. Or you just need automatically to open a browser for you. But if it doesn't open, it will send you a link to open up, as you can see right here. So it sends you a link, click on it, it opens up in your browser, and then go ahead and log in to your Bullpen account, and it will give you a code to enter. Just go ahead and enter the code and log in to your account. Once you log into your account, then it will go ahead and review everything. At the end of the day, it will tell you there are skills available for you to install. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction just as you're seeing right there. It will ask you questions. Go ahead and click on allow. Each time those pop-up comes up, just click on allow, and it will continue to go and go and go. So that's exactly what I did with mine. And now after that, at the end of the day, it will ask you if you are ready to start. Just go ahead and input the next prompt. Remember, in between, it will be asking you questions and you just need to answer. For me personally, I prefer to use the recommended. It will give you different options, and then it will select one that is recommended. For instance, the amount of traders to pull up and all of that, it will ask you. So just go ahead and enter the next prompt. And once you enter the next prompt, Claude AI will go ahead and do its thing. And at the end of the day, we're given the top 10 Polymarket traders by PNL, which you can see right here. So after it pulls up the traders, it will ask you if you want to use a fixed amount, if you want to auto execute, and then if you want to use whatever max amount you want to use per trade. You go ahead, just answer those questions based on the capital you have on your account. And at the end of the day, Claude AI, if it is $1, put it. If it is $2, it will pull up. For my own, I actually needed 10 traders, and it did pull up those 10 active traders with the volume they have traded, everything from me. So it just pulled them up on the screen, and these are the 10 best active traders who have traded for this week that we pull up. And these are some of the configuration that I have. So I said we're going to be using $1 fixed per copy trade, and then $10 hard cap per trade. Then we want to auto execute, no confirmation needed, and then we mirror sell. Mirror sell meaning that if the trader sells, we sell. If they buy, we buy. And as long as we hold those positions they are selling, automatically all of those things will be taken care for us. And Claude AI will go ahead and do all that it knows how to do best for you. So all you just need to do just to follow the on-screen instruction. Just keep prompting it, okay? So the next prompt will be here are a few more things that I needed. I just go ahead and highlight what I want the AI to do for us. Now, when you paste in this prompt, some of the responses you'll be getting will be far different from what I get from my end. So just make sure that you answer them accordingly as it regards your account size, and all of that. So just go ahead. You can decide to copy each trade with $5, with $10, $20. These are all what you need. Why I'm having failed trade right now is because I have a little capital and I'm copying about 10 traders. And these 10 traders take like hundreds of trades every now and then. So that's why I'm having failed trade. Then the next option is it asks us what language should the bot script be written in. For me, because I just told the bot that I don't know coding, so I just told it that you are the bot, so you know what to use for that, what is best for us. And at the end of the day, it says that Python is best, and we go ahead and just keep answering questions. And then the next prompt, I said, oh, I actually appreciated Claude by saying amazing, thank you for now. And then the final piece of the puzzle is the dashboard. That's the next prompt, right? You are going to write. So the next prompt will be to create this particular prompt is for the dashboard, and we just go ahead and send it. So send it after it has created all of these things. It will go ahead and create this dashboard for you. And once the dashboard is created, then you can now from that dashboard start monitoring what is happening with Claude AI. Now, after the final prompt, which actually created the dashboard for you, Claude will send you a link to open up the dashboard on your browser. And once you open it up, this is what it looks like. You can see all of those details right there. And from here, you can monitor your trades. And when he created my own dashboard, this realized and the unrealized PNL was not included. So I had to just prompt back the AI to tell it to add up this option. And another option that was not here was this filter at the top. So there was no filter right there. So I just asked it to add the filter to filter this by daily, 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, and then all time. And it goes ahead and add up all of those details for you. And right here, you can see we can stop the board, we can refresh, we can start the board, and the rest. So all of these things, this is what it provides for you. If there's anything that is not missing right here, just tell the AI to do that for you. Just prompt it, just type. You don't need to code, just type, and it knows what to do, and it automatically fix all of those for you. And at the end of the day, if you see trader trades per trade, you see the trader with the highest trade right here, and this trader keep taking trades like mad, right? You can see I keep taking trades every now and then. So to avoid all of these failed trades that I'm having here, make sure that you have enough funds in your account, or reduce the number of traders that you are going to copy. If you notice that the dashboard is not working, or the board is not working, you have the option to stop and start the board anyways. But if you notice that something is wrong and nothing is working, you can go back to Claude and just prompt it. I need to do this. I need to do this. And each time you come back to Claude, make sure that you are in that folder that you created. The folder we selected, make sure that you are there, and always go back to that and just prompt it, and it will just go ahead and do everything automatically for you. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you are going to set up your own Polymarket automation to start copying the best traders, or you want me to do it for you. If you don't want to follow all of these processes, I've provided the prompts, everything you need to start off with this for free. Join us on Telegram and get access to that. But if you don't want and you want us to set it up for you, then just for a fee, we are going to do that for you. And it takes in less than 1 hour, this should be up and running. And you wake up seeing that this bot is printing money for you every day. I hope this video is helpful. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. I'll be updating you more about this. Currently, I'm linking up Claude AI with my trading view to be analyzing and following up trends for me and giving me trades, ideas, and all of that. I'll equally update you on how to do that in subsequent videos. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever this video comes up. That is it for today, guys. Bye, and let me know in the comment section your experience, and I'll see you in next video, guys.